Do you believe that with just a packet of snack crackers, a little butter, and a few minutes in your home kitchen, you can create a crispy, fragrant snack that the whole family will fight over? Today, I'll make some really delicious butter-fried snacks. Hello, sir. The rice looks so beautiful today. Hello, child. We're almost at the market. The market is so lively today. Give me the crispiest ones, please. Here you go. These avocados are perfectly ripe and beautiful.
That's right, dear.
Just add some more fragrant butter, that's enough. Yes, that one is perfect. Give me a few fragrant garlic cloves, please. Adding a little cheese would make it tastier. Just take a little, that's enough. This spatula is just the right size. This basket is beautiful and sturdy. These flowers will make the table look prettier. It's so refreshing. Let's go home. Let's start cooking. The scent of lotuses is so fragrant. Almost home. Everything is fresh and delicious. Ready. ก่อนมีสอดฐานห้องพื้นโหได้ขาสั้นฐานคนนี้
Let's start making butter-fried snacks.
The fire is just right. The intact pieces will be crispier and tastier. Fragrant garlic will make the dish more appealing. Chop it really finely.
Chop it really finely. Cutting it into smaller pieces will make it melt easier. It smells so good.
It smells so good.
Stir gently. A low fire will preserve the aroma. And now it's just perfect. Add some more seasoning. Stir evenly, covering the pan with the butter. Be gentle. Let's begin. Tine your damepinger mien. Don't let the cakes break. The butter sticks beautifully. Keep the fire low. It smells so good. Looks great. Adding more green will make it look nicer. Let it cool down a bit. First step done, and let the snacks cool naturally. This way, the snacks won't stick. Add some more cheese. Even coating makes it beautiful. It's crispy now, just add a little more pepper. A little pepper is enough. Flip very gently. Chỉ giữ những miếng đẹp thôi. Adding a final layer of butter will make it more fragrant. Just a little bit. Spread it very thinly. It's all evenly distributed. It looks much tastier now. This looks nice. It's balanced now. Anyone who likes a stronger flavor can add more. A clean plate looks much better. Let's add some color. It's done. Everyone, the buttered fried snacks are ready. It looks good. Come on in, everyone. Let's bring it in. A little more attention to detail makes it look more appetizing. A little more green would be perfect. Arrange them neatly. This looks neater. Just some tea, and we'll have it. Flowers will make the meal more cozy. Very pleasing. It's done. Clean the kitchen before eating. It looks much nicer. Ready to film. This light is more beautiful. That crunching sound is so satisfying. Looks delicious. Let's try some. Perfect. Everyone's coming out soon. Let's eat. Let's all eat. The delicious meal is ready. Welcome, everyone. Come and join me. Come on, everyone. Let's enjoy it while it's hot. Please come in and enjoy. There's plenty for everyone. It looks beautiful. Thank you. Oh. Let me try it right away. It smells so good with butter.
Thank you, sweetie.
Looks delicious, thank you. Wait for everyone.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, everyone.
So crispy. It tastes even better with more dipping sauce. It's perfect. It's so delicious. So delicious. Please, everyone, have some tea.
Thank you, my dear.
Looks wonderful. You wouldn't believe it. Back then, food like this was a treasure.
He's told us this story 100 times, and it gets better every time.
You eat too. Of course, thank you. Yes, eat some, dear. Just dip a little. Look at that, perfect.
He's right, delicious.
That's it, wonderful. It's best when we're all together like this.
Yes, it truly is.
So happy to be here.
Eat more.
Eat more. Thank you.
Yes, eat.
More for everyone.
So crispy.
So crispy. Please, son.
Thank you.
The view is so pleasant.
It truly is.
Remember that trip we took? Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. This is getting tastier and tastier.
So delicious.
Yes, it's perfect tonight. You're so skillful. It tastes better if you dip it less.
You're right, Grandpa.
So crunchy. So crunchy. Have some tea. Thank you, Mom.
Please, Dad.
Thank you, son. This tea is wonderful. Our hometown is so peaceful.
It really is.
I'm so glad we could all be here. There's plenty left. Hurry up.
Get the big one.
No, I want that piece. Thank you both. It smells so good with butter and garlic. Yes, it does. And it tastes even better. You can really taste the freshness.
Have some more, wife.
Thank you, that's so sweet. Wishing the whole family good health. It's beautiful.
No, you can't have both.
Almost gone. Cháu thật chu đáo. The countryside evening is truly beautiful.
Look at the sunset.
It's perfect here. Let me help you. Thanks, Mom. Move these, please. I'll get the cups. All right, everyone, get ready.
Father, smile.
Just right there.
Perfect.
See you at the next meal.